The most powerful M12 connectors by Lumberg Automation. The M12 Power Connector series opens the door of the well-known M12 technology to the world of large electric currents. Up to 50% smaller connector for 16 amps at 630 volts is a clear answer to the growing need for power connectors in the smallest possible design. Pavel Buhla, product specialist from SOS Electronic, prepared a short presentation of the round connectors of the M12 Power series produced by Lumberg Automation. Currently, there is a great emphasis on downsizing, in other words, reducing the size of devices while maintaining performance. Lumberg Automation has introduced a compact design of M12 Power Connector series that is 50% smaller than traditional power connector design. At the same time, it guarantees a safe and reliable solution for existing as well as future applications. You can downsize your device with this solution even if you've been limited by connectivity requirements. The M12 Power Connector series offers durable design for hot, humid, and dusty environments as well as for moving applications. A reliable solution made of high-quality materials and with several international certificates. 4 different standardized coatings that cover the requirements of almost all applications. Standardization of connector plays a key role in the automation of manufacturing processes in industry. They have unlimited mutual compatibility thanks to the unified specification, which is why M12 connectors are very popular. Coding of M12 power connectors according to IEC 61076-2-111. Coding S, 4 poles, 3 plus PE, typical application is frequency inverters. Coding L, 5 poles, 4 plus FE, where FE means functional earthing. This type of coding is designed for the use in combination with industrial Ethernet I/O modules. Coding K, 5 poles, 4 plus PE. It is typically used for robotic systems in automated production lines. Coding T, 4 poles, ideally used as connectors for outdoor luminaires or lighting of production halls. Examples of the use of M12 power connectors in practice: production of machines, for example conveyor belts, industrial automation, robotics, automotive industry, transport, wiring in the halls. Features and benefits of M12 Power series. The most powerful M12 connectors on the market, 16 amps up to 630 volts. Nominal voltage for coding S and K, 630 volts AC, 16 amps. Nominal voltage for coding L and T, 63 volts DC, 16 amps. Working temperature range, -40 to +125 degrees Celsius. Usable conductors. Cross sections from 0.75 square millimeters to 2.5 square millimeters. Protection class IP67. Color coding resolution. The selected connectors of the M12 Power series by Lumberg Automation have been added to our stock range and are available to order. Are you interested in more information on Lumberg Automation products or technical advice on choosing a suitable solution? Or do you have another question or request? Please fill out the following form. We will be happy to help you.